Meet the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Coupe, a vehicle that proves you really can have it all. Today we're diving deep into what makes this luxury SUV one of the most compelling offerings in its segment, and why it just might be the perfect blend of performance and practicality. Let's start with what's new. The big news for 2025 is the return of the GTS model, and trust me, it's been worth the wait. Packing a twin-turbo V8 with 493 horsepower, this isn't just another trim level, it's the sweet spot in the lineup for driving enthusiasts. Let's talk about the whole range. The Cayenne Coupe starts at $91,795 with a very capable 348 horsepower turbocharged V6. Step up to the e-hybrid, and you'll get 463 horsepower plus some green credentials. The Coupe S brings 468 horses to the party, while the SE Hybrid tops the regular range with 512 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. Now, about that styling. The Cayenne Coupe takes the regular Cayenne's handsome looks and adds a dose of drama with its sloping roofline. Yes, you sacrifice some cargo space and rear headroom, but what you gain is a presence that turns heads everywhere you go. It's like a 911 that hit the gym and grew a few sizes. Inside, Porsche has created what might be the perfect blend of luxury and technology. The dashboard is dominated by screens, but they're thoughtfully integrated. You get a 12.3-inch central touchscreen, a 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster, and even an optional 10.9-inch passenger display. And here's a cool party trick. That passenger screen can play videos without distracting the driver thanks to some clever engineering. But the real magic happens when you get behind the wheel. The Cayenne Coupe does something almost supernatural. Despite its size and weight, it handles like a much smaller vehicle. The steering is precise, the body control is exceptional, and the grip, well, it seems endless. Our testing showed the Coupe S hitting 60 in just 3.9 seconds. That's supercar territory from just a few years ago, folks. The GTS takes everything up another notch. The suspension is specifically tuned for maximum engagement, borrowing some tricks from the ultra-expensive Turbo GT model. The front wheels have more negative camber, which might sound like technical jargon, but on the road, it translates to steering that feels more alive in your hands. Daily driving? That's where the Cayenne Coupe really surprises. Despite its performance capabilities, it's thoroughly civilized when you want it to be. The ride is firm, but never harsh, unless you opt for the largest wheels. Road noise is well controlled, and the seats, especially with the optional upgrades, are perfect for long drives. Fuel economy? Well, that depends on your chosen model. The base V6 will give you 17 city and 23 highway. Go for the V8S, and those numbers drop to 15 and 21. The e-hybrid models offer about 20 miles of electric-only range, perfect for short commutes or running errands. Let's talk practicality. Despite that swooping roofline, there's still plenty of room for passengers and cargo. The rear seats are adjustable, and legroom is generous. You can even tow up to 7,700 pounds, which is impressive for any vehicle, let alone one that handles this well. Now, the elephant in the room, price. Starting at $91,795, the Cayenne Coupe isn't cheap, and that's before you dive into Porsche's extensive options list. The GTS starts at $131,495, but if you're going to spend that much on a performance SUV, this is where your money should go. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Porsche Cayenne Coupe is a masterclass in having your cake and eating it too. It's practical enough for daily use, luxurious enough to satisfy the most demanding buyers, and performs like a proper Porsche should. Yes, it's expensive. Yes, the V8 models drink fuel like it's going out of style. And yes, you can get more cargo space in the regular Cayenne. But if you're looking for the ultimate expression of what a performance SUV can be, this is it. The Cayenne Coupe, especially in GTS trim, sets the benchmark for everything else in its class. It's not just a great SUV, it's a great Porsche, and that perhaps is the highest praise we can give it. Like this review? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Porsche Cayenne Coupe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.